AP-CNBC poll sought to gauge public opinion on the upcoming Twitter IPO. The American public is generally pretty skeptical about the Twitter IPO. Most say it's not going to be a good investment, and that's in contrast with what we found in an AP-CNBC poll last May about the Facebook IPO. Most people did say they thought Facebook would be a good investment and would be successful in the long term, but there's much more doubt about Twitter's ability to be a long-lasting company. About a third say they think that Twitter will be around in 5 years, and there aren't that many people using it so far. Only about 20% of Americans say they have a Twitter account themselves, and another 10% have looked at the site to read someone's Twitter timeline or feed. And I think that the poll reveals that some of the ways that Twitter might seek to monetize itself aren't necessarily the way that people actually use Twitter, which could be impacting their views of the IPO. Overall, not many Twitter users say they use it as a second screen experience when they're watching live TV or sporting events, and only about half say they turn to it in the instance of breaking news. For individual investors, I think it's worthwhile to note that there's just not that much confidence among the American public that social media has staying power. Many say that Facebook or LinkedIn or Pinterest or Twitter, that none of those really have the ability to be a successful company in 5 years. So they're not committed to these networks, despite high levels of usage.